back. It's been a little while. I know I've been very busy, but I am back. A lot of things changed in regards to the configuration of my apartment, and one reason is because my neighbors are intolerably loud, so I had to move my bed into what used to be my office, and now I have a spare room where all I will do is film. I still need to finish up the floorboards, but we are almost there. And so we'll see how it works for a little while. It was 2 months with the bed in this room, didn't work. So now let's just see if the function, oh, the heater's coming on, it's gonna be loud in here. So today we are cutting my hair. As you can see, it is too long. Too damn long. It comes up to my butt. Long hair is great. I like the way it looks, but the bottom of my hair is dead. It's not working for me right now. So I am going to save myself $100 and cut my own hair because that's what I normally do anyways. And it always seems fine. And if it's not fine, I'll just keep it up for a little while and let it grow out. Here we have my Garbage Pail Kid, and it's one of the mysterious boxes that you don't know which one you're getting. Got this on Amazon for about $12. I'm thinking about doing an Amazon video, just things that I love from Amazon, because especially if it's related to food, it could be very helpful. So before we cut my hair, let's see which one I got. Garbage Pail Kids, this may look familiar because it looks like a Cabbage Patch doll. And it was developed in 1985, I believe. I read this whole book about them a little while ago. And it took a while for it to be accepted because I'll show you their stickers. They're hilarious, but they're a bit morbid. So it took a while for people to accept it, especially because it was for kids. And the reason why I like these things is because they're so unusual. And after I discovered, oh my gosh. So this is what I got. I don't like it. I don't feel like it resembles me at all. I don't know, it also has like a, what is this haircut called? Bobby Lee has this haircut, so this is the Avon. A musket? I'm gonna return this. You must excuse the floorboards because they will be done soon. And I think this angle out is better because the mirror's in front of me. And now let's get ready to cut. This is what I'm always least scared of because hair does grow back. I'm just gonna go and wet my hair a bit because that might help. All the oiling might help too. My hair is just so, let me put this down. So you must see how long it is. That's fucking long. And we want it over here. So that means we have this much to get rid of. And I should probably wash my hair. This is just water. Straighten things out and get things flatter. So again, I am not a hairdresser. I just cut my own hair. Don't cut other people's hair. So please don't take my advice with too much certainty because I just do this with what I believe is kind of common sense to how I think hair should be cut for the videos that I have watched. So we are here now. Should back up. In fact, let me get the other camera. I know I do not look cute with my hair like this, but you do this, it becomes much easier to gauge equal length on both sides. All right, here we go. Okay, now I'm getting a little nervous. Do you see how it looks butchered? And how we fix this is by going into it and then cutting upwards. Kind of like that. You don't really need to pay too much attention, but just, you need to do it for a little while though, because before you know it, it will look natural. But I'm gonna do that once the rest is chopped off. I'm really also hoping that this will make it easier for me to not have to brush my hair so often because it's very annoying. Okay, almost there, you guys. Okay, now let's let this go. Now let's look at our butchered hair. So this is not my hair. Obviously, it looks butchered, but we will fix that. Wow, it looks awful. Upwards. That's why when you saw that famous video with that guy and the wooden block board, I think they were Japanese, and he just takes the slice and then goes like this. Like first it's a downwards and then it's upwards. Just a lot of ups. As many ups as you can do without wanting to kill yourself, do them. Pull your head in front of you like this and go around. Go around and round and round and make sure that you are even. And again, I don't think you could really do this enough. So this is my part. This is how I usually part my hair at least. And now let's just trim it. Give it a little bit of an angle. Go upwards. Or it's like this, like curl it in to cut. I think it will give you that effect. Kind of like the curling in effect. There you have it. I was gonna end the video there, but I figure why not just show you the hair in its curled glory. And I need to still take a shower, but it really doesn't look too bad. I think it's fine, especially if, I mean, I have my hair up for the most part, so cute. Fine, with 3 steps. Totally works. Never really even that big of a deal. I already noticed it's a lot less knotty and easier to maintain. I'm a big fan. I have been working a lot, but I've also been reading a lot. And this has never happened to me before. What's never happened to me before is that I open up a book, and this took me a little while to even notice, a couple pages, but it starts on page 21, which is nuts. And I got this book right after finishing this book. This took me about 2 days to read in the midst of working, so really good storyteller. I don't know if it's the best story. It's a nice little escape. And then I got his other book because I've never read any of his books and I decided I really liked it. But before all of this went down, it was David Sedaris' Best of Me. I highly recommend this to everyone. He's my favorite author. So this is just a compilation of all of his favorite pieces. And I will tell you a secret, and my secret is that whenever I finish a book, I return it. And this is the only exception because he is my #1 favorite. and it's a short story book, so I could pick it up and reread anything I wanted anytime. I recommend this. It's a keeper. It's one that I will not return. Like this is going back. Books take up so much room and I don't need to have them. And also, if it took me 2 days to read and I could return it for my full money back, well, why the hell not? But if I ever get sponsored by Amazon Audible, let's just keep that to ourselves. Thank you for watching. I will be back soon with more content, but my hair is so much better. I feel so much lighter. Cut, save some money, and I don't feel bad about it at all. I'm going to shower. I will admit I'm gonna probably do more upwards trimming throughout the night, but so far, so good. See you soon, folks.